Can you get the book? Can you get this? Come on. Come get it. Come on, Katie. Yay. Pull your arm out. Pull your arm out. Your arm's stuck underneath you. There you go. Nice job, Peanut. Nice job. Now what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Let me help you. Roll back over. Pull you down a little bit. Come on. A little bit more. Come on. Wiggle your butt. Just wipe your mouth. Yeah, lots of drool. All right, try again. Come on. Come on, Kate. Come on, wiggle your butt. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on, you're so close. You're so close. Come on. Oh, you're arching. Good job. Fantastic. Okay, get your little arm out. Pull this arm out. Here, I'll help you. There you go. Come on. Yes. Good job. Awesome.